Today we're going to be making fresh cream corn.
What's up guys, it's Minix back with another video, and today I'm here with my grandma.
Hi everyone.
And today we are going to be making fresh creamed corn. This is pretty easy to make and it tastes great. It's a good southern recipe.
Here's our fresh corn out of our garden. And you can also freeze this too, and we're going to show you how to do that right now.
Before we start this video, make sure that you subscribe to our channel and also click the like button so you can keep seeing our videos.
Let's get started. Okay, first thing you want to do is shuck the corn. So just peel it, break it off, and get all the silks off. And you need probably at least a dozen ears, you know, for 3 or 4 people, and then just, you know, if you got 8 people, probably 2 or 3 dozen you'll want to cut off. So you get the silks off, and then we're ready to start cutting. But I like to use a serrated knife, but you just need a sharp knife. And then you just want to, so I've got a 5-quart heavy-duty cooker that I'm going to cook it in so it won't stick, burn. Then you just cut it off the cob. You don't want to, you just kind of go across the cob, like maybe kind of the top. You don't want to go too deep. And then in order to get the cream corn, you scrape the cob, get the milk out of it. So see, the cream is kind of coming out of the cob when you scrape it. If you don't like the cream, then just don't scrape it if you just want whole kernel. Okay, so I'm just going to continue cutting this off, so we'll be back. So this was 2 dozen ears of corn to get this amount. Now I'm going to add a half a stick of butter. Turn it on medium-low. I'm going to do a 1/3 cup of sugar. And then you can taste it, and if you want more, you can add it. And I'm going to do 2 teaspoons of salt. And like I say, you can just do it to your taste, how you want it. I'm just going to add a little bit of water just so it doesn't stick. And then you got to stay with it and stir it the whole time. It doesn't take really long to cook. Once it comes to a boil, then we only cook it about 5 minutes. But if you do want to put it in the freezer, when you get it cooked, then you just cool it down. I'll just, you know, put it in a pan and let it cool, and then you can put it in your freezer bags. And it's good for up to a year at least. And then when you get it out, you just pretty much just warm it up because it's already got the sugar and butter and salt in it. Okay, so when you see it starting to boil, like this is right now, then you want to time it for about 5 minutes, but make sure you stir it the whole time because it will stick. Okay, there it is. It's after 5 minutes, it's done. So then at this time, if you're going to put it in the freezer, just go ahead probably and dump it in another pan so it'll cool quicker. And then you just want to fill up our quart-size Ziploc freezer bags. I usually put about 3 cupfuls this size in each bag. and then just make sure they seal. You can just get all the air out and make sure they seal good, and then you can put them in the freezer. Then if you wanted to eat it right now and you want it creamier, more of a cream corn, then I've got 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour in here, and I'm going to put just a little bit of water. So then you just mix that up. Put this in there through a strainer so we don't have lumps in it. So this will make it creamier if that's how you like it. So I'm going to turn that back on and just cook it for a little bit till that flour thickens it up. But if you like the whole kernel more, then you're done. Okay, so I'm going to add a little more water. It got really thick on us, so I'm going to turn it down to low. And so, like I say, there's your cream corn. When you get it out of the freezer, before it gets warmed up, you can just add a handful of all-purpose flour if you like it creamy like that. But there you go.
Okay guys, we're back and our cream corn is done. It turned out really well. We have both versions of it, the extra creamy kind and then the mostly kernels. So thank you guys for watching. We hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you did like it, make sure to leave a like and also subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell to get notified every time we upload a new video. Also check in the description for the links to our social medias and more. And hopefully we'll see you next time. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Bye.
Bye.
I'm gonna make sure this is in the right spot.
Oh no!
Oh no!
Did our light die?
It did.
Oh, I gotta get my shoulders straight.
Whoa!
That hurts my back.
It's a good southern recipe.
Here's our fresh corn out of our garden. So, baker's gonna bake, 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 bake. Haters gonna hate, 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 hate. I don't even know this song. If I ever go on Family Feud, I'm not gonna act like they do when they're doing the fast money. Steve always wants them to, get real excited and say, look into the camera and tell them what you're gonna win. And they go, $20,000. I'm not gonna do that. You can't make me. If you don't like the cream, then just don't scrape it. If you just want whole kernel, don't be complaining about it when you don't have cream corn. Say something. I don't know these songs. You like the kernel one better? Oh my. Also check in the subscription for the links.
You're done.
The links to the videos and more. No.
Also check the links in the description for the links. Wait, oh my gosh, you're making me